Welcome to Focused Life YouTube channel. Stay connected to improve you focus. Many believe in a Da Vinci rule for multitasking. But what if his genius stemmed from something far deeper and more profound? Let's explore. Cal Newport suggests Leonardo's genius was innate, an ability to intensely focus, even amid distractions, rather than conventional multitasking as we understand it today. Michael Gelb's How to Think Like Leonardo da Vinci reveals 7 principles. Our exploration begins with curiosità, an insatiable curiosity and thirst for learning. Curiosity drives continuous learning. Leonardo consistently indulged his fascinations, filling thousands of notebook pages with sketches, questions, and concepts. The second principle, dimostrazione, emphasizes testing knowledge through practical experience. Leonardo believed in learning by doing, experimenting, and reflecting. Next, sensazione, is about sharpening our sensory awareness. Leonardo's understanding of the world came from deep observation and meticulous attention to all details. Sfumato teaches us to be comfortable with ambiguity and contradictions. Leonardo navigated uncertainty, finding his way through often paradoxical situations. Gelb's corporalita highlights the grace, ambidexterity, and fitness. Leonardo embodied the mind-body connection, fostering new neural pathways through physical activities. Connection is the recognition that everything is interconnected. Leonardo saw patterns and relationships where others saw only isolated phenomena. Finally, arte e scienza represents the balance between art and science. Leonardo integrated all knowledge, moving fluidly between diverse fields like painting and engineering. Leonardo didn't compartmentalize, he integrated knowledge. His work flowed between anatomy, botany, engineering, and painting, enriching each with insights from the others. A prime example of his observational genius is the rule of trees. Da Vinci observed how all branches at every stage of a tree's height, when put together, equal the trunk's thickness. This rule applies to each branching point. The cross-sections of the 2 branches above add up to the single cross-section below. It reveals nature's underlying structure. Da Vinci's rule, originally for artists to draw natural trees, shows his profound ability to convert deep observation into practical application across fields. Leonardo's ambidexterity, or using both hands, wasn't just a quirk. It expanded his physical and mental capabilities, fostering new neural pathways. Walter Isaacson noted that Leonardo could pause and put things aside, demonstrating intense, deep concentration. This Da Vinci pause transforms fleeting sparks into substantial work. Leonardo didn't just juggle tasks, he applied deep work and integrated thinking. Each discipline became a priority, then moved to the background, enabling deep dives without abandonment. This contrasts sharply with modern fragmented multitasking, where constant switching often leads to superficial engagement and reduced productivity. Ultimately, Leonardo's genius wasn't just managing many things, but seeing the deep interconnectedness of all knowledge, allowing him to weave together diverse insights. How can we apply Leonardo's principles today? Start by cultivating your own curiosità. Ask questions, journal your thoughts, and engage in continuous learning. Embrace dimostrazione. Apply what you learn through hands-on experiments. Don't be afraid to fail. Each attempt builds new knowledge and wisdom. Practice sensazione. Observe the world with heightened senses. Pay close attention to sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and touch. Be mindful of details. Cultivate sfumato. Get comfortable with ambiguity. Don't shy away from uncertainty. Embrace paradoxical situations as opportunities for growth and new perspectives. Integrate corporalita. Engage in physical activities that challenge both mind and body. Try ambidexterity exercises, like brushing teeth with your non-dominant hand. Develop connection. Actively seek patterns and relationships between seemingly disparate ideas. Understand that everything is, in fact, interconnected. Practice arte scienza. Don't separate art and science. Find ways to combine creativity with analytical thinking, enriching both your endeavors and perspective. Remember the Da Vinci pause. Take time to truly observe, reflect, and give intense, deep concentration to what captivates you. This is key to genuine understanding. Leonardo didn't multitask in the modern sense. He practiced deep work, shifting his attention with intention and integrating diverse knowledge into a cohesive whole. His legacy isn't about doing 10 things at once, but doing one thing deeply, then shifting with intention to another, weaving them into a rich tapestry of understanding. By adopting these principles, you too can cultivate profound curiosity, sharpen your observation skills, and engage deeply with your interests without crashing or burning out. What aspect of Leonardo's genius will you explore first to enrich your own journey? Share in the comments and subscribe for more insights.